Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide folder into your Windows 10 and 11. So basically you can hide any file or any folder. So you don't need any types of third-party app. You can do it by CMD. So without wasting any time, let's show you. So first I am going to show you that this folder called screenshot, I just want to make it hide. So how I'm going to do this? First, I need to open CMD prompt. For that, I need to come over here and going to type first CMD. And you can see, just going to make it smaller. So you can see, so it's locating my folder location. And now here we just need to do atttrib plus h plus s plus r and the folder name. So it's a comment. I will give it to you the video description section, so you don't need to worry about. Just copy it like it and now paste it over it and make sure you write the correct spelling of your folder. You can see, and then if you click enter, you can see it's hiding. So if you just refresh over here, you can see your folder is not here. So this is how you can hide your folder into your Windows 11. And now, so this is how you can hide your folder by CMD prompt. So now I want to unhide it. For that, need to open it. And now I just need to copy this second command to unhide the folder and going to paste it over here like this and going to type screenshot spelling correct and then click enter. And by this you can see your screenshot folder is back again. So this is how you can hide your folder by command prompt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.